Raisins. Raisins are dried grapes. They are produced by drying the grapes using solar energy or hot air. They turn dark when dried. They are sweet and chewy. Raisins are a nutrient-dense food that minimally processed, with no added preservatives. They are naturally sweet and high in sugar and calories. Raisins are popularly known as kishmish in Hindi. There are many different types of raisins with different colors, flavors, sizes and shapes. They are yellow, brown, black, red, green, purple and blue in color. Raisin varieties depend on the type of grapes used. These are made from different grapes with different colors and tastes. Nutrition profile of raisins. Raisins are packed with several nutrients. They contain substantial amounts of beneficial minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium, copper and zinc. Raisins are loaded with carbohydrates and natural sugars. The fiber of raisins helps aid your digestion by softening and increasing the size and weight of your stool. Presence of iron is important for making red blood cells and helping them carry oxygen to the cells of your body. Presence of calcium is essential for healthy and strong bones and teeth. They are rich and exceptional source of naturally occurring chemicals like phenols and polyphenols. These nutrients are called antioxidants. Antioxidants are helpful in removing free radicals from your blood. They may prevent damage to your cells and DNA. Presence of phytochemicals in raisins, including linoleic acid, linoleic acid and linolenic acid, fight bacteria in your mouth that leads to cavities. Surprising health benefits of raisins. Raisins should not be judged by their shriveled, aged, and dry appearance. They are low-fat, high-sugar food with lots of vitamins and minerals. Raisins are considered a healthy snack with a variety of positive health benefits. They are a good source of antioxidants. They are also rich in fiber. Fiber promotes growth of healthy bacteria in our large intestines. Raisins are a rich source of iron which is helpful in treating anemia. This tiny little raisin is an excellent source of calcium, which strengthens bones. Raisin can help alleviate constipation, promote smooth bowel movement and flush out toxins from the body. Daily consumption of raisins can improve the vision and overall health of the eyes. Aid in digestion. Raisins are a good source of soluble fiber which aids our digestion. Fiber promotes growth of healthy bacteria in our large intestines. Eating soaked raisins every day early in the morning can help your poop better. Regulates blood pressure. Blood pressure is caused by excess salt consumption in the body. Raisins are packed with potassium, which can help you to balance the salt content in your body and thus regulate your blood pressure. Prevents anemia. Raisin may play a part in preventing anemia. They contain good amounts of iron, copper and B complex which are essential for making red blood cells and carrying oxygen throughout the body. Iron deficiency anemia can be treated by including a handful of raisins in your regular diet. Prevents tooth decay. Presence of olenolic acid in raisins helps in the prevention of tooth decay. They are helpful in keeping the teeth clean and healthy by removing germs. Raisins are a rich source of calcium and boron, which helps in the prevention of tooth decay as well as help in teeth whitening. Improves heart health. Regular raisin consumption controls bad cholesterol levels and enhances good cholesterol levels. Raisins can lower your risk of heart disease by reducing blood pressure and blood sugar. They contain anthocyanins which are flavonoids that can help boost heart health.